Ano-ano nga ba ang benefits kapag member ka ng IMG? Tara, pag-usapan natin.
Access to leading providers of financial products and services. Access to unlimited financial education, and the opportunity to have a career and business in the financial industry. Yan ay ilan lamang sa 60 plus benefits of being an IMG member. Sa 6,000 membership fee, ay pwede ka nang makapag-invest to these blue chip companies through mutual funds. In addition to that, ay meron ka ng 100,000 worth of personal accident insurance and 50,000 life insurance with memorial concert upon signing up. Magkakaroon ka rin ng access to affordable 2-in-1, 3-in-1, easy savings plan for your healthcare, life insurance, and additional investments. Pwede ka rin magkaroon ng discount sa iyong purchases such as car purchase and discounts on other investment such as real estate. Kung ikaw naman ay Filipino working abroad, merong options for an international membership. These additional benefits will give you additional worldwide protection habang ikaw ay nagtatrabaho sa ibang bansa at malayo sa iyong pamilya. Kaya, huwag ka nang magpapahuli, be part of the 30 million financially educated Filipinos. This is IMG's campaign to elevate the financial literacy nating mga Pilipino. I know this video is not enough para ma-share ko sa iyo lahat ng kailangan mong malaman to improve your financial life. So, let's connect. Marami pa akong gustong i-share sa iyo. This is Melody Masamong, proud IMG member.